Hey, I know you're probably busy right now, Valor, but I gotta tell you real quick about this. You're hiring in a new job, yeah? Vocalese Heavenly Paradise? Yeah, sure. We can bring that Roddy body guy over our restaurant so we can continue the progress together. But no, there are several consequences. That guy inside him might wake up at some time. Right now, the only thing you should be keeping an eye, not only on the security cameras, but please, keep an eye on the animatronics too.